schizophrenia, with our first co-star Daisy, also in this movie known as Sherlock Holmes. And this is Lily, get back here. And that is Sherlock Holmes in action. And that is Lily. She will be playing a role as Cameron. And I'm the director and editor and whatever. Scene 1, take 1.
And you're also the flabbergasted.
Help me, help me. Help me, help me. She springs into action as the mighty Sherlock Holmes runs back with the purse snatcher. Let's lock him up. And she still has a fighting career. She was once a fighting dog. She would eat everything in sight.
Especially humans.
Especially human beings. Now, she's one of the greatest evil villains ever.
Super villain?
Yeah. And she as black as night. She's never to be seen ever. Sherlock Holmes.
Her soul has been called the ghost and the darkness.
Her soul has been called the ghost and the darkness. And she springs into action again, stealing the Cape Cod, and runs home and eats it alive.